Greetings and welcome to Unispherical Muse, brought to you by One Spherical Love. I always think about when I'm cooking how to preserve my food, such as in cowboy days. They didn't have refrigeration and whatnot, and Lord forbid if electricity goes out. How are you going to save your food? So I want my veggies to last more than 1 week. I want them to last like 6 months. So how do you do that? You have to chop up your food, put it out in the sun, and voila, there you go. It's all nice and dried. And then you put it in a little food processor, chopper, and then you have an herb. So here we got kale, here we got rhubarb leaves and beet leaves. Here I have mint. And for my hibiscus tea, when I make my green tea hibiscus tea combo, I then take the flowers after it's done, put it out in the sun, and there you go. And in a day, it's already dry. Remember, I live in a triple-digit summertime landscape called the desert. And life is love, love is life. Blessings from Reverend Lewis, so thank you for your support. By the way, my YouTube channel is Unispherical Muse, and blessings to you.